according to these labels. And the momentum plot that we're seeing a very dismal momentum on the 4 hours, and actually even I believe a negative plot, zero line rejection, negative plot on the 1 hour. So we believe wave 3 ended here. It truncated from internal level 3. There is a 3-5 here. All right, there was an A and a B and a C. This was a correction 4. This is an ending diagonal that concluded wave 3. The correction is the count, I'm sorry, is correct. There's an internal 1 2, there's a high degree 1 2, there's an internal 1 2. All of this is a 3. There is a 4. This is the final leg of level 3. Now this is going to be doing the higher degree correction. That's where we want to buy in. We had of course buy entries at the top of a level 1. They worked out well, but personally I didn't take them. But anyway, now we're having a leg A into high degree correction. We're gonna have a leg B into a high degree correction, and then that is the most important leg of all is coming up, leg C, back to the top of level 1. This is end of wave B. This is very important. There's an A here, there's a B. Okay, so there's going to be more problems probably in Ukraine, and we get a very deep B. Optimum entry is above level 1, 153.9, 154. We're going to be seeing some kind of a second head. All right, so if you're long, if we did take these entries, we bought this neckline 155.30, we would want to take profit at level B here, just below the neckline. Probably going to take us all the way to 157.70. That's it. We'll take a look at the pivot levels. All right, but we were, as of yesterday, we're looking to sell 158 and 157.60 is our sells. Because of the momentum plot you're seeing this is a 4-hour chart. You can check the momentum here. It's just a bounce into a wave 1, and on the 1-hour chart is even worse. It was a complete negative plot, and it's just doing now a high degree correction. So you're looking here at the 1 2 and the 3. That's an A, B and a C, just like we labeled them. Now this is just an internal wave B, and maybe it will even do 50% of the move. Maybe it will just do the same 50% of that ABC, that is. So you would want to do this. You would want to take this here. So we don't want to get fooled. We don't want to think this is a strong trend and that we should be on the side of the longs. No, we would actually want to be on the side of the shorts. It is possible, of course, to take it to, if you're already long, to 157.25. There's still money to be made. We're now 156.4, so there's really good money to be made. But it will not break the neckline. That's what we need to say. This is going to go right now, B. This is what you're buying into. If you wish to buy the market very short term, just for today, very short term trade, we are looking at 157.25 target. We are looking at even 158. I believe we can get here. We have a 157.9, which is 158. 157 point, actually we have actually 158. So we can do internal measurements. We know now all how to do this. Make that trade. This is again very short term trade, just for today, just for the few hours today and early tomorrow, because this is the top of a wave B, where we should be selling at 158 and 157.60 to take that move down. You're having, of course, if you wanted to buy into this, all we need to do right now is just buy into this growth portion. Exactly 156.15, even 50%. 156.25. And the stop is just at C, 155.6, or something like 60 points down. Takes you to 157.6. 157.6 is showing right here, is 157.44. We can get 157.6, sell, and 158. The momentum will permit. We're just looking at 5-minute momentum, so this is not really meaningful. And if there is more risk aversion coming out of Ukraine, let's take a look at where this should take us. You're looking at another head at 153, and actually let's take a look at this daily chart. we'll be selling here. You're selling at 158.6, maybe even 158. You're inside of a diamond formation. This is the daily chart. You're seeing double heads and shoulders. The high momentum plot that we are looking at here is actually out of sync or out of synchrony with what's going on in risk in Europe and in Ukraine. So this is a very risky issue. You would always want to buy in it related to the stock markets. So if the stock markets are going down, they should be going down. It's as simple as that. If it moves all the way to 157.6, 157.7, you get a divergence. It's a sell to the lower boundary of that diamond pattern, at least. Lower boundary of that diamond pattern, of course, takes us to 151.7. There's even probability to see 149 if we break the diamond, but I doubt. Just 152 and 151.7. Over here we're having 152 is 50% above the breakout low for the current month of February, 152.06. All right, so the market is a sell. Okay, we would want to sell 157.3, 157.9. Fluctuation high here is 157.6, 157.6, yes. The lower breakout low for the week is 154.7. I believe we bounced actually above that now. So next time we're going to be testing 154.7, maybe even lower if level 1 gives way. Level 1 is this, of course, level here. So we'll have that updated for shorts tomorrow so that we can make a neat entry, hopefully. And right now it is long at market level 156.3 with a stop at 155.6 and the target at 158.